Mirna with Knitting with Mirna, and today I'm going to show you how to add another ball of yarn at the beginning of the row. So let's say that you're knitting and you're running out of yarn. You're doing your garter stitch. All stitches are knitted stitches, and you're running out of yarn. So I'm going to use two different colors just for contrast. The first thing you're going to do is pull out a strand of yarn from the new yarn that you want to attach. This is a small sample, so I'm only going to pull out about 4 inches. Okay, make a little loop, not a slip knot, nothing fancy, just a little loop. Okay, so insert your right needle into the first stitch as if to knit. Then you're going to take this loop and place it over the right needle. So like this. And knit it through the first stitch. Okay. So this first stitch is going to be kind of loose and large. So take the yarn that you are running out of and pull it. Okay, just to secure the stitch. And continue knitting with your working yarn. Your working yarn is the yarn that is attached to the ball. So this is the yarn that you're going to be knitting with. All right, so we'll just continue knitting with the new yarn across. And just like that, you have added a new yarn. Okay, you've got to the last stitch of the row, and I'm going to knit going back just to show you how that stitch looks. So knit across. Remember that all these steps are part of a playlist that are listed below in my description. So if you need a refresher on how to do a slip knot, how to cast on, how to do the knit stitch, all those steps are part of a playlist. So just go to the description below and click on how to cast on, how to do the knit stitch. Okay, so we're getting to that stitch, the first stitch. See how it's kind of larger than the rest? So bring that tail down and hold it through, knit, and take the yarn that you added and the yarn that you are running out of and pull them. So there you are. This is how it looks. I'm going to have a tutorial on how to weave in all these ends, so don't worry about these right now. So we'll work this in as we go. Now a little tip. When you are adding a new ball of yarn, remember to do it in the same direction. So that way you'll only have your seams showing in the same direction. This is because we have two different colors. If we were knitting in the same color, this will go unnoticed. But if you're adding a different color, just remember to add the stitch, to add the yarn going in the same direction. So this side will be going against your skin. This will be the inside. If it's a sweater or a scarf or whatever, garment. And if it was a blanket, this would be the opposite side, the reverse side. And this is the right side. Okay? So hope this was helpful. Thank you. Please subscribe. Please click like. Please view your other videos. And leave me a comment below. I would like to hear about what you think about the videos, what do you think about the tutorials. And if you have any questions, just type them in the comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.